welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to do slow cooker lamb shanks with red wine. Yeah, it's morning here in New Zealand. Behind, so she's gonna read the recipe because I'm special needs with global development delayed. So I'm gonna ingredients. So we're going to be using chili, lime, and garlics and ginger. I've got pizza sauce, flour, the wine. We're going to use sunflower oil instead of using the original oil, carrots, measuring spoons, and beef stock. So let's get into it. Woohoo!
Yeah. Well, turn the fry pan on while we're you.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, now in the plastic bag.
Okay. So we've got a bag here.
I'll just move the slow cooker out of the way so they can see what you're doing.
Oi! Oi! Oi!
Okay.
It's fucking heavy.
Yeah. So in the plastic bag, put 1/4 cup of
flour?
Yes, 1/4 cup of flour.
So what one is it? This one?
And that's half. No. That's no. It's cup. Try that. What does that one say? Can you see?
1/4.
Yes, that's 1/4 cup. Okay, yep. And you can get out in a shake some pepper and salt. Oops, she's gone.
Who?
You.
I was in the cupboard.
Oh, okay.
I was looking for the pepper and salt.
Okay, so.
I'm just going to go pepper.
Yeah, just, yeah.
And salt.
Yeah, salt. Okay. Now put the lamb shakes
In there?
Yes.
Okay, now open the lamb shanks. Oh, sorry, Mama. Look how big they are.
New Zealand lamb shakes.
Yeah, it's New Zealand lamb or whatever they're called. Look at that. Okay, do both of them?
Yeah, might as well, yeah. Both of them can fit.
Sorry. Trying to be funny.
Yeah, see if you can shake it all. Get them all covered. Hold hot here. Did you make a mess?
No.
Shake it all. Yeah, make. We should have put the oil in the.
Huh?
Need 2 tablespoons of oil in the fry pan.
Leave them in there.
Yeah.
Okay,
2 tablespoons. Get a steel spoon out.
I'll get a big spoon.
Yeah.
Got it?
No. The next one. That's the dessert spoon.
What?
No, that's a teaspoon. The big one that has that design on the handle.
Oh, this one.
No.
I don't know what one you're talking about.
Here, you hold it.
Look.
That one with the design.
Yeah.
Okay, so put a couple of tablespoons of oil in the fry pan.
In the fry pan.
All right.
Ooh,
What's it on?
It is on. Why?
Because Dad would have had it on high for the chips.
It's on 7.
Oh, okay. Just a bit steamy for me, that's all.
And I can't open it.
Oh, can't you? Get the tea towel. Got it now?
No.
Oh well, we've changed to olive oil.
Yeah, it won't open. The sunflower oil won't open. Bastard.
Okay, and another 2 tablespoons. Okay. Okay. Just swish that around with. No, just lift the sides. No, just lift the sides and the other side. It's not hot. The sides aren't hot. And just, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yep. Get the lamb shanks.
Lamb shank, thank you.
They're all covered with flour.
Yeah.
Just shake off the excess.
Like that?
Yes. I don't want to get spritted, thank you. Okay. We'll save that because we've got to put it in the crock pot. Slow cooker. Okay, put the lid on. Okay, so while they're browning, you want to get your vegetables, your carrots.
Carrot. I'll go check the...
Vegetables.
I'll just...
Turn them over.
Ooh. Oh, hey, how? There you go.
Yep, okay. Getting nice and brown. Okay. So do the carrots now.
Yeah. Do you want me to chop them off?
Chop them and peel them if you want. Yep.
I'll just chop them. You don't really have to peel them.
No,
if
you don't.
want to,
If you don't want to. No, it's up to you. You don't have to. If you don't want them peeled.
Oh, we can give them a go. Ah! I'm
leave
going
it.
down. Oh, be the bottle.
No toilet roll.
Oh. Jolly's eating.
Joey.
Yeah, we thought it was a girl. That's alright.
Just cut them to half, then half again, maybe.
Like that?
Oh no, yeah. Cut them. No, the other way, cross. No. Yep. And half that one again. No. That one half. Then turn them up. Yeah, and then go. Yes.
I think one will be alright.
No, do 2 because
On camera?
I think so. Oh yes.
Okay, I'm going to do 1 cup
Of what?
of rich ruby.
Yeah. Okay, just put the
Oh, where's the lid?
half a cup of pizza sauce.
Oh. Ah!
What happened?
It's splattered!
Okay.
Ooh, it feels like poo.
Oh,
Ooh, it feels like blood. Ooh. There you go. Feels like poo.
a little bit more, half a cup. Okay, yep.
Feels like poo.
Ooh. Okay, now you need your beef stock.
Okay. Beef stock. Coming right up. Come in.
Might as well use 2 cubes.
2 cubes.
Yeah, it says 1.5, but you can't break up a...
No. No. Oh, you bastard. That's one.
Yeah.
We've got a 1 weird cat. What did Taunt say last night about Joey?
Don't know. Skittery.
He is. It's because he's a stray, of course.
Okay, now get the kettle. Is it
Boiled?
Yeah, leave that here and bring the kettle over here.
I don't want to get burned.
No, well you need to find where 1.5 cups is on. No, it's the other side. Cups, no, it is.
Probably.
There. Cup, so 1.5 up to there. That's say 1.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there.
Oh,
No, a bit more.
bit more.
Yep.
Oh.
Yes, that's a bit. I could get the whiz and just...
I know. I know.
Just be careful because it's hot here.
I know.
Is it dissolved?
You think so?
Okay, we should go check the...
We're going to get you the lamb shakes.
No, leave the hot on the... Yeah. Yeah.
Go check on this. Check on these. Oh, yeah. Yep.
So brown.
Yep. Ah, you fun.
Okay, we'll get you...
What?
Turn it off then.
Turn it off. Beef junko away. What am I doing?
Put...
Might move on. I might bring the sword.
Yeah, bring it over.
Oi! Oi, 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 oi. Some of the bitch is heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now put your lamb shakes.
Put up here for my tongs. Ah! Been a bastard. Hey! Sorry. Oh, I've got one.
Yeah, we'll put it... No, the other way. Yeah. No, long ways. Yes, that's the girl. Yeah, because I'm pretty long.
I did nothing. I did nothing. Oh, you bastard from here. This one's been a bastard.
Okay, long ways again. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Okay.
Carrots in. Oh.
Yeah, put the carrots in.
I'm gonna.
Oh, okay.
First.
Put the sauce in.
Pizza sauce.
Yeah. Was it? No, you won't be able to... Yeah, just was it.
changing colour.
Okay, then you empty that over the...
Over the lamb shanks,
Yep.
over the...
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pour this over.
Yeah.
There's some
Yeah, we'll put the wine in.
wine in here too.
Yep.
I'll just whiff it.
And then put the that flour in there too. Oh, we didn't put it in then. The spices in there too.
Okay. Ah! Whoops.
Okay. Get a teaspoon and
Teaspoon.
just a normal teaspoon will be alright.
Okay. Got that?
Yep, that's a teaspoon.
Okay, this is garlic and ginger mix.
Yeah, put a big hunk of teaspoon in.
That?
Yep. And I
And
don't
you
have...
put chili lime.
Yeah.
Teaspoon of that. This is gonna be like that.
Yep. And then whiz it all up.
Wizard.
Okay, put it in there.
Yep.
Oh.
Look at that. Woohoo! Alright. I like the dance.
Okay, well,
Hold on.
you put the lid, yep.
I'm going to put the lid on. Oh, nice.
Okay, plug it in.
Plug it in. Plug it in. Oh, yeah. Ow!
Okay, switch it on and
Put on
high.
High.
Yeah. Is it on?
Yes. It's on high.
Oh. Oh, okay.
The thing's on.
Oh, good.
The thing's on.
Okay, do you want to finish off or?
I'll do it in the end. This is the last product shown with slow cooker lamb shanks. If you guys like this video, push the like, press share, and click that subscribe button and click that bell for more videos down the line. Thank you for watching. Ronnie is out. Bye.